hold the shop, Joker, hold the shop.
So where we are go?
Where me? In the water we are go first.
No man, I want you just in
the water we are go first, brother.
Come on,
God. Bumbo. How are this?
Yeah. Clad, Danny, no man, Danny. This last clad no make free up here.
But
Danny, I pray for you, man. I want to carry me in a man.
Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. Woo woo, woo woo. Who remember that song there? I was singing Dennis Brown. Yeah, Prince of Reggae. Tonight we have a laughter-filled lineup. We have Johnny and his mischievous friends. We have a video of Major Mackerel. He was discussing how he opened a bun factory, or how he inherited a bun factory from a Jamaican woman. And you have to stick around for the last video. It's a bonus video. It's must-see television. It is too funny. Anyways, run it.
We can't cook yellow yam, man, and pump them and give you. And you can't tell me.
No, man, you can't tell me that, man. Pum pum, you're different from yellow yam, man.
No, it's the same thing.
No, man. No, man. It have a different texture, man. Move your blood. Can't tell me that. Pum pum, pum pum, you have a different texture. Move your blood. You can't tell me that.
Hold on. In a theme defense, you know. When you talk about better your team two different type of yam, but if you compare pum pum and yellow yam, them man know pum pum yam taste. No, him.
Oh, yo, man. But Biggie, and I serious note, you know. He said my farmer, you know. He supposed to agree with me, you know. Pum pum yam and yellow yam are different type of blood texture. No. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. You can't. Now look. You have a different type of texture from yellow yam.
I didn't know they have pum pum yam. What does that look like? A real food them a talk about, and them a talk about the woman private parts. I'm assuming it's real food, but pum pum yam, they couldn't call it something else. Like, why didn't call it that? Interesting. Let's hear what Mr. Johnny has to say, as a couple people comment in a previous video say, Johnny, love is center of attention. And that's true. Let's hear what King Johnny has to say now.
Yo, you're a farmer. Yo, you're a farmer.
But they must have a different texture.
You're a farmer. Your blood.
You're right, man.
No, don't do that. Yellow yam and pum pum are the same texture yam. But pum pum yam,
So they cut the head.
pum pum yam come in a different rotation.
Just shape different.
Him can't tell me that. You can't tell me. Your blood, yellow yam. It's a pum pum yam. Pum pum yam look a bit tougher. Yeah. Move your.
Pum pum yam look a bit tougher, harder. If you ever eat pum pum yam yet, tongue twist tonight again. Let me know in the comment section. Pum pum yam or yellow yam or dasheen yam, which one of them tastes better? Well, me I go with yellow yam. I've eaten yellow yam. I love dasheen. Pum pum yam, I've never had it. I don't think pum pum must eat, so I won't even eat the yam. Anyways, like a video for me. By liking the video, you're helping me to grow the channel. By liking, you're contributing to the channel, basically, to be honest. So just like a video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell. Moving forward.
With the bomb!
Lord God,
Our really getting paid, right? Brethren, I don't understand them people, and I say, brethren, everybody out there know about love, true? Yeah, and if you love your significant other, you're going to try and please them in a certain way. My girl She said she buy a matching up shirt for me and her.
Why she choose to buy 2 woman blouse for a man at
Come on, I'll violate your ass. I'm alone, Mr. Rasta. I'm alone, Mr. Rasta.
Johnny said now wear it too. Not true, I say tell me brother.
I cannot involve in the other individual dressing code.
No, but I'm here to go
You look
out.
like a bitch.
Somebody say, you look like a beat. ITCH. Johnny say, oh, don't get me involved in that the dressing code there. But hey, you couldn't pay me $1 million Canadian, $1 million American, $1 million euro, or even £1 million pound to wear something like that. Not even a private. You're mad. Fire upon that Rasta. You're not in Rasta, you're a bingy dread. Yeah, you're worse than peanut dread. Moving forward. Oh, this is a joker. Remember him from the other day and him they use his stone and lick down the man. You hear him say right now.
Every tree we climb. Because them the time they, you know. One night time, you know, the man then climb all a mango tree, you know, over my shotty yard, you know, when the man then go up in a mango tree, you know. And the man then said, Jesus Christ. We find 2 twin mango. That mango is ripe till it's split. By that time, I know ripe mango, the man then find, you know. For my brother, you know, is a man, him know we a brief.
That's crazy.
So him a pick the mango and come like him pants tear. And him see down and a man hold the seed. And I feel the seed and say this a mango is ripe till it's split. And the man said, come out of my mango tree and hold it and jump off. But the man said, no, I'm a ball. I saw him let it go and jump down, you know.
Why you don't use your blouse and skirt?
I'm telling you, hold my virgin balls. Ask any man about bro. Fishing out funny, my virgin balls. Say, no, my balls hold. I feel mango come up in a mango tree. You can't see that, man. I think I took you and me and talk, man.
No, I kid you not. When me I search for video, I saw this video and couple other video. And me only watch 5 seconds of it. I first watch the full video. And me say, you know what? Me add this to the list. Me go see what it's all about. Yeah, it's a good choice. Me hope you don't laugh like how me laugh. And if you laugh, just like the video. Moving forward. Now, you know what's a Jamaican woman give most bun. And Jamaican women give the most factory. Most jacket. And studies worldwide show that too. Nigeria second. Jamaica number 1. Me have the video on my phone. Me no know where it turn, but in them I find it. Yeah man. 25% of my viewers are women. I'm gonna assume some all of them are Jamaican women. I don't love gibbon, and if you gibbon, you will get jacket. Anyways, here is Major Mackerel to tell us about the time when, you know, woman up in a bun factory and game. I bet you me can put it. Let's watch on here. Or watch and see.
When I left 1989, I left with my baby mother pregnant with a child in her belly, and we went to America. And me and her daddy and me are go on, and you know them time they have 10-year visa and them give you 6 months in the country. She have the baby and me and her start mess up. Then this guy named Joe, you know Joe?
No.
No, you have a guy named Joe, a TV with that one. I'm going to be real with you. You see the boy named Joe Grind, that boy invade my premises. And me never have no problem with him, because me did have my thing, but then move in with him friend when named Horal. And when Horal come involved in the thing, me lose my baby mother. So basically,
You got bun?
yeah, not the bun, they get the whole bakery, patty, cocoa bread, tutti fruit, plantain tart, bun and cheese. Me have Easter every day, Mr. Miller. Every day me have Easter. Basically, the truth that is a baby mother of mine when me have left me, and I spend a lot of time trying to get her back, couldn't understand it. Me know me mess up, but you know, when she threw the bakery on me, General, you know, I was baked.
Yo, when she threw the bakery on me, I was baked. Father, if you're not busy, go take me phone tonight again. Oi. No, sir. This is a sample. Me have to look for the full interview. I swear. Me know it's a YouTube gonna strike me for the video because music in the background. But me not care. We have to watch it and laugh and enjoy. Me have to share with you, brother. Me tell you, a man get a whole factory. Bun, cheese, patty, cocoa bread, loaf bread, peg bread, all egg you get tonight too. Everything. General. Want to bring myself tonight. I never dated a Jamaican woman who wasn't cheating yet. It's either she was cheating with me or she was cheating on me. All the Jamaican woman them were born a foreign to how you go. Yeah. Them basically a Jamaican because their parents are Jamaican but they born a foreign. All them give on to. Yeah man. Everybody give on. Anyways. This a video now. You remember when they used to have sport as a kid? I even know, and then they have parents race. Yeah. We need to bring back them a niceness of Jamaica.
Chantal showing them. I don't know where Chantal is well oil. Make sure that my arm from Trace. Comes water, but I see black fresh oil coming from Conformer. Black fresh oil coming for shit. Black fresh oil coming from home. Okay, comes water. It's official comes water. Black pressure, you have to settle for second. At least you know where I'm not beating you.
Boobs them a jump and they almost pop out her bro. Like it's a funny race. I saw Jamaica for nice man. If you don't like the video, if you don't like the content, if you don't like my voice, like the video, leave a comment, share your views, your thoughts, bust a laugh in the comment section. Subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay safe. God bless.